Hey, little explorers! Ready to go wild with some amazing animal facts and learn English while having fun? Let's jump into the jungle of knowledge, where science meets silly. Let's go! Pet animals. Cat. Cats can sleep up to 16 hours a day. Real nap experts. So cozy. Cat. Cat. Dog. A dog's nose is 40 times more sensitive than ours. It can sniff out anything. Incredible. Dog. Dog. Rabbit. N. A rabbit's teeth never stop growing. They must chew all the time. Rabbit. Rabbit. Fish. Fish can sleep with their eyes open because they have no eyelids. That's wild. Fish. Fish. Hamster. Hamsters store food in their cheeks, like backpacks in their mouths. Hamster. Hamster. Wild animals. Lion. Male lions sleep up to 20 hours a day, while lionesses hunt. Lazy king alert. Lion. Lion. Tiger. Each tiger has unique stripes, like a human fingerprint. Tiger. Tiger. Elephant. Elephants can use their trunks to drink, trumpet, and even scratch their ears. Multi-tool master. Elephant. Elephant. Bear. Bears can hibernate for months without eating or going to the bathroom. Ultimate nap champs. Bear. Bear. Giraffe. Giraffes have long necks, but only 7 neck bones, just like humans. Mind-blowing, right? Giraffe. Giraffe. Farm. Animals. Cow. Cows have best friends and get stressed when they're apart. So sweet. Moody buddies. Cow. Cow. Sheep. Sheep can remember 50 different faces, smart and social. Sheep. Sheep. Pig. Pigs are super smart. Pigs have excellent spatial memory. They can remember places. Pig. Pig. Duck. A duck's quack has no echo. Scientists still wonder why. Duck. Duck. Goose. Geese can remember faces, even the people who were mean to them. Goose. Goose. Water and air. Animals. Owl. Owls can't move their eyes, so they turn their heads up to 270 degrees. Whoa, Spin Master. Owl. Owl. Eagle. Eagles have eyesight 4 to 5 times stronger than humans. Sharp eyes. Eagle. Eagle. Whale. Dolphins are aquatic mammals that breathe through lungs. They are highly intelligent and communicate using special sounds. Whale. Whale. Dolphin. Dolphins call each other by unique names, just like us. Hello, genius swimmers. Dolphin. 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 If you loved learning with us, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. See you next time, brainy buddies. Bye!